Why we use Docker? In this case, we have a general flow that how a company will design our application. First, we have our development team. Second is our testing team. Third one is our operation team, and finally we have server to deploy our application. So globally, our customer will access our application. So in this case, we have three things. First is our development, second in testing, and third one is operation, and fourth one is our server. So when we are in development phase, we listed down some sort of dependencies and framework that we are using in our framework, that we are using in our application. Now we download it from the internet and run the application in our local system and hand it over to the testing team. Now what happens in testing team, they also start downloading your dependencies from the internet source. And what happen, they download some another version which is incompatible to your application, and your application will start generating some issues and it leads to the failure of your application. And this says to the development teams that hey, your application is not running, and your development team will say actually there are some issue in your operating system. We are in my local system it is working very fine. So there are some miscommunication gap between development team and testing team. So that's why we need Docker. So what happened, Docker will copy your entire operating system and it can easily ship to the testing team and operation team and finally deploy to the server. There is no need to install different dependencies to the different local system. You create an image from your development team, then give that image to the testing team so they can run a container by using your image, and that image is also shipped to the operation team and also run to the server. That's it. That's why we need Docker.